Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. As you know, it's Halloween season, so I wanted to do this Frankenstein's bride look. I wanted to recreate Desi Perkins' look. I just loved the way she did it. She's always on point. I love how it came out. I actually didn't think it was gonna come out this good. If you'd like to see how I did this look, then go ahead and keep watching. Okay, so first with my eyebrows, I'm gonna do them black, because that's what Frankenstein's wife, she's got black hair, so I'll just do black eyebrows. I don't have any black eyebrow gel, so I'm using black in this palette here. And then of course to prime my eyes, I'm going to use the Tarte Shape Tape in Fair Beige. For my transition color, I'm going to do a gray, and then I'm going to go into the black. So the only one I have is a shimmery gray, but I wish I had a matte gray, but I didn't. But I'm gonna use what I have. We'll see how it works. And kind of drag it out because I want to have it dragged out for like the cut crease. So I'm gonna have it dragged out more. And then I have more of a tapered brush. I'm gonna go in with the black, but you want to go very mild because it could just take over, so you just want to be very careful because it's hard to erase black. Okay. So now that that's nice and blended, do the other side, and then we're gonna lightly go in to make a deeper black cut crease. This is just pretty much our first layer of being blended, and then we're just gonna make it a little more deeper, so that way you're not adding too much. Okay, so now I'm gonna take this flat brush. Normally I would use this for my under eye, but I just want to use it to kind of go in to make a small little line, but in the black. So you're gonna go in with the black again, and then just where your crease, where you want it to be, just make it a little more depth. Then you can just kind of clean up your area right here. So I want it to be a little winged out. And then now we're gonna use the Shape Tape again in that same color, and then we're just gonna carve out our cut crease, and then we're just gonna go in with white. So it's blending too much, it's making a gray color, and I don't want that, so I'm just gonna kind of go in and erase what I can. Okay, so now we're ready to add that. Okay, so we're pretty much even. Good enough, whatever. Just clean off your flat brush that you used to carve it out. Just nice and clean. Then we're gonna go in with the white. Go in with the white, and then we're just gonna trace over to make sure it's nice and bright. So like I did with this one, I forgot to press record. We're gonna do a wing eyeliner, and then we're just gonna do it very thin but drag it completely out. And I'm gonna do it on this side. I'm gonna want to smoke out my lower lash line as well. So going in with the black, and then your flat little brush, whatever, smoke out your under eye. And then to kind of give it like a pop of color, like to kind of match Frankenstein, I'm gonna put some green. I'm gonna do this one. This one, because I don't want it to be too dark. So with like the brush I normally use like for my highlighter for my tear duct, I'm just gonna use that and then go in with the green. I'm going to go in with the Anastasia Moonchild, and then I'm going to go in the green color. And I can just use my pinky, and then just kind of pop a little bit of glow in it. My nails are too long, I can't do it. For the face, since I'm already light skinned, I'm going to use my lighter foundation, so I'm going to use that same Shape Tape because it's super light all over my face, and then kind of just give me like a little bit of color. And then to prime my face, I want it to be more hydrated, so I'm going to use the Becca First Light Priming Filter, and it smells like lavender. It smells super good. And then with the Shape Tape, I'm just gonna do my whole face. Make sure my face is nice and light. Just gonna use a flat brush to like pack that in. And then I got this face paint or like setting spray from Halloween store. Spirit, it's the Dead White Face Powder. It's like this. It's got the little sponge, and then it's, oh my god, you can see how white this is. Oh yeah, that's pretty white. So with another fluffy brush, I'm going to take the black and kind of bronze out my face a little bit. Give me some definition. So I'm gonna use like a lighter pencil to where I can see. I'm gonna make the drawing and then I can try to get an idea of what I want. So now that I have the lines that I don't think you can see, I'm gonna outline it in just like a black pencil. I don't have a red pencil, I wish I did. Once I do that, then I can just lightly go in with like red eyeshadow and kind of define it more. I'm going to use like an eyebrow pencil and then I'm going to go in with the red eyeshadow and comb that out. So same palette, this is just a super colorful palette. Has pretty much every color. So I'm going with the red. I'm gonna test a little area out to see if I like it with like the white stitching. There's just so much white going on. So I'm gonna go in with the NYX white liner. I'm gonna go this side. Kind of go over them a little to kind of define them. Then for mascara, I'm going to use the Too Faced Better Than Sex. Just want nice thick lashes. And then lastly for lips, I'm going to use the NYX Liquid Suede, and this is the color Alien, so it's just black. I think it'll bring out a more dead look. And then for my hair, I'm just going to spray paint my hair with the black and the white. Do that. How the hell do I do this? Because our hair is like stuck up a little bit more. So, who remembers these little bumpets? I'm gonna put this in. I already have hairspray in my hair too.
Can see what it knows I'm waiting for. It's a monster, and even though I should say no, I can't ignore.